Welcome to the Learn-O-Matic film series, in which we present to you, the design professional, the most current information regarding custom digital wall coverings. Splendid! The following is part 3 in our series of the many ways in which you can customize a digital design. We'll head stateside to the secret laboratories of the Level Design team and turn it over to one of their chief design professionals. Let's begin, shall we? In our last episode regarding customization of a digital design, we looked at one of the challenges that comes up when you choose a custom color for a design element that has a lot of texture in it. And today we're going to look at a similar issue. But for today's example, let's assume that you've decided you want to custom color the blue area of the background. Now if we isolate just that blue, we can see that it's a very bright blue when it's just against the plain white canvas. But as we start to build the layers of texture on top of it, we can see that that blue changes dramatically. It becomes a lot duller and a lot darker. So let's assume for our example that you've chosen that same shade of red from the color target sheets that are available through the Level program, and you've decided that you want to replace the blue with this red. So we'll colorize the blue to look like that red. And what I'll do again is I'll create a sample swatch right here on the canvas so we can see it against our background. And as you can see, we've now matched that red in the area that used to be blue. But as I start to relay on all the textures, you can see that that red changes dramatically. And so if you were to receive this printout, you would say that that red that you've chosen, which we see right there, doesn't seem to exist anywhere in this design, even though technically speaking it's right there where we left it. So there are a couple of ways that we can address this issue. The first is to set your expectations properly and let you know that on heavily textured designs, when you choose a custom color swatch, it may not end up appearing exactly the way you anticipated. But if you really want to see that red in the design, the other thing we're able to do is sort of cheat our color. And how we do that is we take the color as a whole and blend it till it looks like the red that you want, which you can see happening here, even though technically speaking that red doesn't exist in the design. In fact, we've made the red a very bright color to get it to look like your red overall. Now again, this is a technical issue that's our job to sort out for you. It's not something that you'd have to worry about. You would simply tell us what custom color you want, and then we figure out how to make it happen. But it's worth sharing with you so that you can see that custom color is not an exact science, but more of an art. And so that's some of the challenge involved in selecting custom color. Wasn't that wonderful information? Simply marvelous. Be sure to stay tuned for our next installment in the Learn-O-Matic film series.